Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. So it's been like 2 months since my last upload and I am so excited to be back with you guys. I miss you guys. So today I'm sharing my brand new NutriBullet and everything that came with it. It's basically a full-size blender, as you guys can see. It comes with the full-size blender pitcher, personal blending cup. We have our travel mug on the side with handle and also a flip top lid, blade attachment, powerful motor base, and those are basically the items that comes with this NutriBullet. That is our personal travel mug, one of my favorite. I will definitely be using this for work, and I can't wait to make delicious smoothies, soups, sauces. You guys know what I'm talking about. Thank you guys so much for your continued support. More cooking videos are coming. Stay tuned. I love you guys, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye guys.
Daddy, a sharper. Daddy, a sharper.